Today, I'm going to share a powerful home remedy that can help relieve even chronic cough naturally. This remedy works for both dry cough and wet cough with phlegm. And the best part? It uses simple ingredients already available in your kitchen. If you're tired of taking cough syrups again and again, this remedy is definitely worth trying. Hello friends, I am Dr. Ash, and you are watching your own YouTube channel, Health Tips and Solutions. This remedy requires only 5 simple ingredients, easily available in your kitchen. First, black pepper. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder has natural expectorant properties, helps loosen and remove mucus, clears airways, reduces chest infection, and relieves cough. Second is 1/4 teaspoon black salt. It helps relieve respiratory problems, effective for dry and wet cough, relaxes airways, reduces tightness in breathing passages, and makes breathing easier. Third ingredient is a teaspoon of ajwain, or carom seeds. It helps reduce chest congestion and supports easier breathing, clears blocked chest, and supports respiratory health. Number 4 is green cardamom seeds. 4 to 5 small green cardamom pods, use seeds only, soothe the throat, and reduce irritation. They also helps remove mucus and provides relief in cold and cough. And finally, fresh grated ginger. 4 teaspoons grated ginger has natural anti-inflammatory properties and helps clear infection and mucus from the chest. Now here's how to prepare it. Mix all the dry ingredients together. Then melt 5 tablespoons of jaggery on low heat. Add the mixture and cook for just 1 to 2 minutes. Do not overcook. Let it cool and store it in a glass jar. Take half a teaspoon in the morning and half a teaspoon before bedtime with warm water. Avoid cold or sour foods and avoid smoking. Relief may begin within 10 minutes. For chronic cough, use it for 3 to 7 days. Children above 10 years can take it too, but only a 1/4 teaspoon. Try this remedy and give your body a natural way to heal. Stay healthy, stay strong, and take good care of yourself.